Say hi! Lady. Still not good. Alright, hey guys, we're at a different lake today. Oh, that was the wind. It's about ready to storm here. It's just starting to snow. We'll see if that affects anything or not. People say the bite for perch and walleye have been pretty good at this lake, so we're here to find out. Our tip-up is currently frozen, so we're unthawing that. Let's see if we can see outside here. Can you see? No? Alright, cool. It's starting to snow. We'll keep you informed if we catch anything. We can catch stuff?
I hope so. Definitely have a nibble.
Let's see if it takes it. You have a whole minnow, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so
It's gotta be just a little guy.
guess wait it out and see if you know it's gonna take it. Oh yeah! Fish!
This drag is too fucking loose.
Oh!
I lost it. My drag was too loose.
Oh no! Put it back down! Go back down. Note to self, check drag before you do anything. Well, that was almost exciting.
Pretty disappointed. Rookie move.
It was a rookie move.
Yeah, it's a little... There we go.
Were you towards the bottom?
Yeah. I was like an inch or something, or two off the bottom.
Sorry, camera. I'm gonna drop mine a little bit. 'Cause I don't know where I'm at. Higher than I thought, apparently. Still snowing like crazy. It's probably gonna keep snowing like crazy for till tomorrow. Alright, well, hopefully you'll hear from us soon again and there'll be a fish on the line. I'm fishing. I had a hard hit, but I don't think I'm going to get anything out of that. Also got real windy real quick.
Yeah, it's definitely colder in here than it was without the wind. Mm-hmm. We're losing just a little bit extra heat.
Nothing. Balls.
Come on, fishy, fishy, fishies. We need lunch. This clamshell's pretty nice.
Mm-hmm.
But
It'd be nicer if we were catching fish.
it'd be nicer if we were catching fish. I had to let that one go because my drag was so fucking loose.
Language.
Yep, you'll have to cut that out.
Alright guys, you probably won't be able to hear it all, but I'm going to check on the tip-ups to make sure they're not frozen solid. Yeah, to get these. Alright, let's go to this one. This one shouldn't be frozen. It's not meant to freeze, but we're going to check it anyway. It is a blizzard. Once again, sorry if you can't hear, and it's really windy. So, it might fall. I don't even know if you can see what's going on. good. As I just covered it in snow. When your hood just goes up on its own from the wind. Deal. There's still plenty of people out. I don't know if you can tell. Braving the storm here. We're gonna brave it, see if there's any good bites from it. Oh yeah, this one's probably gonna be frozen. Let's see what I can do here. I don't know if I can help this myself. Oh. Sorry about that. Go get a minnow real quick. Yeah. Fish! First fish of the day!
First perch!
Perch!
It's
an okay, I mean it's small for what you catch in the winter, but...
7 inches.
Alright! First fish of the day. This is the first fish Garrett has pulled out of the ice that wasn't on a tip-up. So,
first one this year from a pole. Get a picture of it for myself.
Yeah, take a picture.
I'm super happy with this. This is great.
I'm still over here trying to catch things.
Alright.
Lighting is terrible. Oh, that's a little better. Alright. Wish there was more, but you know.
I got that guy good.
He was hungry. Oh, well, ow.
Get to keep my wax worm.
Alright.
Alright.
Not a keeper. Close. I mean, we could, but I'd like to see bigger. He says, give me that wax worm. You touched its eyeball. Stop touching its eyeball.
Just about a keeper.
Yeah. We forgot to pack our measuring tape. Bye!
See you, guy.
Alright.
There we go.
Yeah! Alright.
Look at that. Yep.
Alright, nice perch. Well, not really, but it's decent. I think it's barely hooked. Do you see that?
Yeah. You ripped his lip a bit. Alright.
Alright.
Cool.
I think it went after Garrett's and didn't like it, so it came after me and took my minnow head. Alright. Alright, wasn't even... Are we recording? There it goes. Wasn't even paying attention and he got another one.
Oh yeah. We'll let this guy go back.
Yeah, he's kind of little.
But.
Hooked 3 fish now.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, go back, guys. Oh, I got smacked once.
Alright, we're recording because there might be a school under us. Garrett's gonna keep his pole down while I attempt to put a minnow on mine. You got him?
Got him.
It's recording.
Oh yeah. Keep this guy too.
It's recording. I'm hooked up.
Here we go. Here we go. All right.
Yeah, that's a nice little keeper.
You can eat that guy.
I'm gonna.
Yeah, that's about the same size, babe.
Alright. How far down are you? Are you on the bottom?
I'm hitting bottom and pulling it up just 1 or 2 reels.
Okay.
You got it!
I just got my first walleye, guys!
Oh man. Look at that thing.
Oh, I'm so excited!
That is so cool.
It's a keeper. Ah, I got my first walleye!
Alright.
So you can stop.
Let's get this thing off and
want-
let's go! Alright!
Another Walter!
Willie Walker!
He is spicy. Woo! Second walleye!
Good job! That's crazy! So cool.
Alright, so this little orange gold thing works. Careful. They're feisty. You can put a glove on if you want.
There's not much room there.
No.
Alright. There you go. Flare a little bit.
Alright. About the same size as the other one, huh? A little
Yeah.
skinnier, maybe.
Well, not as long.
Not a keeper, probably.
I don't think so.
That's okay. So I decided to put on this flashy little gold thing. And apparently they like it. A lot. Alright. We can put him back down.
Yeah, that's a good fish, but he could be just a little bit
He's
bigger.
a little bit bigger to keep. Say hi! He looks mad.
Yeah, let's get him back in.
Get him back in the water. There you go. Bye, buddy. Bye!
There he goes. Sweet.
Yay! Alright, I just caught my third walleye of the day.
Get this guy off again.
And I had just caught a perch too, but that happened so fast we didn't record. So. Hi, guy. Your dinner. Alright. Alright.
That's all she wrote.
We're not going to show him being... Oh, God! Maybe I'll show it. Just killing things, no big deal. Oh, not filming that. Yikes. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. I caught another walleye. Garrett left to go get more propane, so it was just me. And I don't even know if he's made it over there yet. Oh, hold on, fishy. You're gonna be okay. I hope. I don't know. He might be at the truck. I know you guys can't really see, but all right. Well, yeah. Hi, buddy. He swallowed this thing. All right. I don't think I can do this all on my own with holding the camera and everything. So we're gonna shut this off. Alright guys, we think we have a flag up, so we're gonna go check it out. It's gonna be really windy. I'm sorry. It may be the wind. It's brutal out here. It's frozen in the ground, I'm sure. We're gonna let him get it because he has gloves on. But there's a hole somewhere, guys. Oh, it was just the wind. Wah, wah. No, let's just pack that up. We could really grab the other one while we're out here. One less thing I have to do later.
It never set it off!
So, the flag on this one was down. There's a fish on it. Oh, he's been there a while. He swallowed that, didn't he? I wonder how long. Well, you checked it, I don't know, an hour or so ago, maybe? A little over. We might have to keep this one. He might not make it. He's a little small, but he's bleeding pretty good, which will be fabulous for you too. But Alright, we're on my phone for lighting purposes. Garrett just caught his first walleye.
My first walleye.
On, let's get a closer look, the Death Stalker by 10,000 Fish. They loved it.
Alright, I'm keeping this one separate.
It's yours.
It's mine. That's a keeper.
Yeah.
That's definitely a keeper.
Is that a bite out of him on the side? He's got a battle wound, doesn't
Right there?
he? Yeah.
Yeah.
Some little pikey pike probably bit him. Hi, buddy. Oh, hello.
Oh, perfect. Look at that.
Yeah.
Nice. So excited. That made my day.
This is his first walleye. I've been the one catching them all tonight. As soon as I told him to switch to that Death Stalker.
Yeah, they love that thing.
Sorry, there's a lot of reflection from the light, but that thing is cool. Alright, I'm gonna shut this off while he kills it. Alright, so here's all of our catches of the day that we kept. We hit our limit in walleye and kept a few perch. Nothing huge perch-wise, but biggest walleye was 14 and a quarter?
14 and a quarter
inches. So they were all pretty close to the same size, actually. But all right. Well, see you next time.